Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking all about my 2005 F150 project truck that is going to be getting a complete revamp, a complete rebuild, and we're going to see just how good and how well we can bring this thing back from the state that it is in. So like I said, it is a 2005 F150 FX4 with the 5.4 liter Triton 4x4, white over the gray. So starting off, number one, the first thing that is bad with this truck are the tires and the wheels. The tires are shot, the wheels are crappy, they need to be refinished. But I ended up ordering some new tires. We also have some new wheels back here. I'm gonna open these up and show you guys exactly what I got here in a sec, right after I finish telling you everything else that's wrong. So number two, we have this. This was like this when I bought it. Not good, obviously, and we need to either one, try and get that dent out of there, or two, buy a new bumper and repaint it if we are going to try and get the dent out of it. We need some new FX4 stickers to make this thing really pop. That'll make it look really good. This plastic up here, I've been seeing a lot of stuff on the internet lately of people redoing the plastic with heat and using either like a butane torch or a heat gun. So I'm going to do that and try and bring that back. Also, we have this that doesn't really like to shut unless you really jam that in there. The body needs completely clayboard. There's tar all over it, and you can see it's been sitting all winter long, so it's got a lot of nastiness. Again, more with the trim. The front's not too bad. The bumper's got a little bit of rust, so I think we're gonna take it off and repaint it. We got a little bit of mildew and mold growing in there. All gonna get clayboard. Try and really bring that back. Going to the inside of the truck, we have a check engine light for a phaser issue, which we're gonna do the phaser lockout kit. It's gonna quiet the engine up, make it a lot better here. We also have an issue here where the adjustment is gone. Somebody snapped that off, so we're gonna have to get a new one. Also got the WeatherTech floor mats, so those are gonna be going in there, cleaning that up really nice. We have a little bit of rust down here that is going to get painted, sanded, painted, and get that cleaned up, but everything else is in really good shape for being an old Ford. No rust down there. Back here on the bed, F-150s of this year usually rust out really bad. This is looking really good for some reason. I need to get a new cover for this. Like I said, the wheel arches here are really good in the bed, surprisingly. Get a new cover for that, or paint this black. Like I said, there's just tar and scratches everywhere. It needs touched up. Also, we have this issue. The exhaust has decided to break off there, so it's being held on by some, that's actually a wire coat hanger back there, doing its job, holding that up. And then, like I said, more just with paint correction and all that kind of stuff. The inside's in really good shape. Everything else is in good shape. Wheels, tires back there. Let's take a look and see what type of wheels these are. They are Pro Comp. This is literally the first time I've ever seen this, so this is going to be a genuine reaction. They're 18x9, 6x135, which is an F-150 bolt pattern. Zero offset, so you're going to have a little bit of poke. But let's open these up and see what they look like. Oh boy. Damn! Hopefully you guys can see that in the video. These things look awesome. They're matte black with the silver bolts going around the side. Looks really, really good. Put that back on there. Like I said, I am heading to Flynn's right now. I'm going and getting these tires mounted and balanced so we can get this rock and rolling. We're gonna get the leveling kit on, get the alignment done, and then it's gonna be time to start working on these other little things like the body work, the bumpers, all that kind of fun stuff. So anyways, guys, watch for part two. We're gonna be doing a lot with this truck. This is my project for spring here, so we're gonna see what we can do, what the outcome is gonna be. We have a remote starter coming for this thing also. I'm thinking if we can get this thing cleaned up really well, get it back to its prime, might be a good chance of selling this thing for a profit. And if that happens, I really want a Raptor. But anyways, guys, stick around for part two. We'll see you then. Bye.